Welcome to our tutorial on how to find hidden chats on Messenger on your PC. Are you ready to uncover those elusive messages? Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to messenger.com. Once you're there, go to the Home section and locate Messenger in the left menu. Click on it to proceed. Next, in the top left corner near the Chat section, you'll see 3 dots. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From the options provided, select Archive Chats. By clicking on Archive Chats, you'll be able to access all your hidden conversations and bring them back into view. It's a simple yet effective way to manage your messages and stay organized. Whether you're looking to rediscover old conversations or simply tidy up your chat history, this method will help you navigate Messenger on your PC with ease. Remember, keeping your chats organized can save you time and make your messaging experience more efficient. So, don't hesitate to explore the Archive Chats feature and unlock the hidden gems within your Messenger app. Congratulations! You've now learned how to find hidden chats on Messenger on your PC. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.